Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to move objects to coordinate 0, 0. As example, you can draw circles in here, and if you want to move the circle to coordinate 0, 0, you can go to the dynamic input in the status bar. Okay, you can right click and then go to settings. Now click on the dynamic input and then click settings on the pointer input. The next you can change for the format into absolute coordinate. Click OK and OK again. Now you can type move, press enter, select the circle object, enter again, and then you can click for the center point as a base, and then you can type 0, 0. Press enter to move the object. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to move objects to coordinate 0, 0.